Vivo had launched the Vivo V9 smartphone last month, which is their flagship smartphone, and now Vivo has launched a skinned down version of the Vivo V9 and they are calling this as the Vivo V9 Youth. The device has similar design as of the V9 with moderate specifications. Here we got a chance to look at the device and we have the retail unit with us, and let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. The first thing inside the box is the Vivo V9 Youth smartphone in pearl black color variant. Next we have a transparent silicone case which is included inside the box. A wall adapter which is rated 5 watts and 2 amperes. A micro USB cable to charge the device. And a pair of earphones included inside the box. The Vivo V9 Youth sports a metal unibody design and curved edges similar to the V9. The pearl black variant of the Vivo V9 Youth has a glossy finish which is a fingerprint magnet. At the back we have iPhone X style vertical dual camera module and a fingerprint sensor at the center. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo V9 Youth features a 6.3-inch display which is a full HD resolution which has a taller 19:9 aspect ratio with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The display also has a cutout at the top which is a standard flaw these days, and the notch design is what Vivo is portraying for all their smartphones in 2018 as of now. The notch leads to a near edge-to-edge display experience, but it can also be turned off in the display settings. The smartphone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, the Adreno 506 GPU coupled with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. The device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with FunTouch OS 4.0. To power the device, we have a 3260 mAh of battery. The device features a triple SIM card slot where two of them can be used for putting SIM cards and the third one can be used to expand the storage using the micro SD card. The Vivo V9 Youth features a dual real camera setup with a combination of 16 megapixel and 2 megapixel sensors. It also has a 16 megapixel front facing selfie camera with AI enhancements which uses face beautification and machine learning to tweak images. The Vivo V9 Youth retains some of the design elements of the Vivo V9 and is available in two color variants, that's the pearl black and champagne gold color. The device is priced at 18,990 and is available from offline retailers across the country as well as online stores. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such videos.